We are learning more tonight about what happened inside a Treasure Coast Adventure Park that led to the death of a 6-year-old girl. WPBF 25 News has obtained the 911 call from inside the park.
Also tonight, we're asking what went wrong and what parents can do to protect their children. Ari Height has the 911 call and advice from a legal expert.
Port St. Lucie police are still investigating the death of 6-year-old Emma Riddle. They're trying to figure out who's responsible and if that person should face consequences.
I need an ambulance.
The call to 911 came from Urban Air Adventure Park in Port St. Lucie Saturday night. A child was injured.
They were in a go-kart accident. Someone hit him from behind. She hit her sternum really hard. She's kind of incoherent. I think we need medics right away.
Family has identified the child as Emma Riddle, only 6 years old. She died Sunday at the hospital. Port St. Lucie police are investigating to see who, if anyone, is to blame.
Even if the proprietor did everything that they can do to prevent the injury, they could still potentially be held liable.
Tayson Gaines is an attorney in North Palm Beach. He's not involved in this case, but has handled similar cases in the past. He points to the waiver every Urban Air client is asked to sign, which says, in part, that you are giving up your child's right and your right to sue them if something happens, even if it's their fault.
And they say even if it's a defective product or a defective design, right, that even your claims to that would be written out.
Gaines says all businesses like Urban Air have similar waivers, and he believes there are ways to challenge the waivers in court. His advice to parents: don't just accept the waiver. Know what you're signing.
Read everything before you sign. Try to negotiate anything that you don't like or you think is a risk for you. Ask questions.
The family of Emma Riddle is holding a memorial service for her on Saturday at Calvary Church in Port St. Lucie at 10 a.m. They say everybody is invited. Ari Height, WPBF 25 News.